Hi, it's Mariga here from Skin Essentials, and thank you for tuning into one of my product focus videos. Today I really want to talk to you about our Skin Comfort Oil. As I'm filming this, it is late November, and at this point lots of people are getting into that situation where their skin is just acting up a little bit because obviously we have the fires on, we have the heating on, we're going in and out of the cold. Now the effect of all of that on the skin is that it can disrupt our barrier, the acid mantle of the skin, and that looks like different things for different people. If you're prone to sensitivities, that gets worse. If you're prone to little breakouts, that can get worse. And if you're prone to dryness or dehydration, that will definitely get worse. And the reason being that the protective layer of our skin is compromised, so it's not protecting us as well as it should from irritants or from evaporation of the water that needs to be in our skin to keep it healthy. So the best multi-use product that we have formulated particularly for rebalancing the skin is our Skin Comfort Oil. Now this is multi-purpose because obviously it can be used in so many different ways. If you have extremely dry skin, now I don't mean by that skin that has just got dry because you've been sick or because the weather is bad. So if you have naturally really dry skin, this is a product that you can use every day as your nighttime treatment. So originally formulated for people who had that extremely dry skin or in fact had medically compromised skin. So this is kind of the mainstay of our oncology product recommendations as well. So it just gives you this nourishment, deep comfort in the skin. And you can use that, I say nighttime, you can use it day or night. Nighttime because if you're wearing makeup, then you would need to let this absorb for a long time in the morning before putting your makeup on. But if you're not wearing makeup, if that's not a consideration, then you can use it daytime as well. So every night for somebody with severely compromised skin or a naturally just very dry skin. But for the rest of us, this actually makes a great weekly treatment. And that is how I am using it myself at the moment and how I recommend for a lot of our clients. So if your skin is just sort of on the verge, acting up a little bit with the weather, feeling a little bit dry, dehydrated, maybe getting a little bit flaky, this makes the most beautiful treatment. You can use this just overnight on its own, like a mask, and just leave it on all night, rinse it off in the morning, and you will have a much softer skin in the morning when you wake up. It can be used as part of a weekly treatment to do your enzyme exfoliator first, then put on your Skin Comfort Oil, go to bed, and that's like your little home facial. If you like, and this is a lovely way to use it, you can just use it straight. You can also mix it with our Skin Comfort Cream. This is something that a lot of you will already have in your skincare routine. So mixing these two together just makes the loveliest, deep, nourishing overnight treatment. So that is our Skin Comfort Oil. You can also use it now and then as you need it, kind of like an SOS product. If you've been sick, if you've had the flu or anything over the winter and your skin is just, completely gone astray on you, you can take this and you can use it every day for a week until your skin is back on track, and then reduce it back down to once a week again for your overnight treatment during the winter. So that is our lovely multi-purpose Skin Comfort Oil. And if you don't already have this in your winter skincare, I would really recommend adding it in. You can use it for so many things. It's great for cuticles. You can even use it for dry ends of your hair. You can use it on your elbows. Just our multi-purpose SOS Fix Up My Skin Quickly at Home product. Thanks so much for watching, and do let me know if you have any questions on that, anything I can help you with as far as your skincare is concerned. Just leave that in the comment box below, whether you're watching this on our Facebook or our YouTube channel. I do, of course, get back to all questions. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.